All right, Rember, I think this is where you're at, but let me know if this isn't the where you're at. All right, tricky one. Ooh, you got a good one here. All right, let's see. What do we have to do here? So if I put in 2, I get out 0. So that looks like it was a take away 2. If I put in 3, I get out 2. That means take away 1. I put in 4, I get out 4. So that's take away nothing. Ooh, look, I took away 2. I took away 1. I took away 0. Oh, maybe some kind of pattern like that. Let's see what this times 4, take away 5, times 3 plus 4. Maybe I'm going to say the next one. So now I would I'm not sure. Let's see. I think if I put in, maybe I'm going to go negative. If I put in 5, because I put in 2, I put in 3, I put in 4, now I should put in 5. I'm not sure what to do, so I'm going to just click. I know they took away 2 on the first one, so maybe I'll click that. They took away 2, and then they took away 1, and then they took away 0. Let's see. I'm going to just see what Gigi's going to tell me after I pick those. All right, so they took the 2 times 1, take away 2. Oh, they're doing 2 steps on this problem. 3 times 1, take away 2 is not going to give me the right answer either, huh? That one did not give me the right answer either. All right, so I got to see what they're doing. They're doing 2 things. So 2 times 1 would be 2, and then take away 2. Let's see. 3 times 1 would be 3. Take away 2 would be 1, so that's not it. Let's see. How about 2 times 2? And then take away 4. Because 4 times 2 would be 8, and then if I took away 4, I'd still have 4. Let's see, 3 times 2 would be 6, and I take away 4, and I have 2. So that's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to times 2, and then I'm going to take away 4 from each one. So let's see, this one, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 take away 4 is 0. So that worked. Let's see the next one. 3 times 2 would be 6, right? Take away 4. 2. So it's just they have to, that's my thing. I know they have to do the same thing for each input and output, but they look so different. I didn't even think that they were doing two problems, but I just kind of have to keep looking at it. All right, so let's see this one. 1, I get 5. 2, I get 9. 13, 3, I get 13. So I'm just going to try different things. If I take 1 times 1 plus 4, right, that would give me 5. 1 times 1 plus 4. Will that work here? 2 times 1, 2 plus 4 would be 8 or 6. Sorry, right, that's not going to work. So then I know it can't be that. So now I'll do the, because that's the only one that would work here, right? 1 times 1 plus 4 if I use the times 1. So I'm going to just go down, and I'm going to say 1 times 2. 1 times 2 would be 2, so that I'd need to add 3 to get 5. Maybe I can, I don't want to select them, and I need that green thing so I could just see what I'm doing right now. Let's see, so I'm going to say, would that work, right? 1 times 2 plus 3 would be 5. How about 2 times 2 would be 4 plus 3, no, would be 7. So that's not going to work. All right, so now I'm going to try the next one. I'm just going to keep trying this one, because when this one works, the other ones should work with the same pattern. So I did times 2, I'm going to do times 3. 1 times 3 plus 2 would be 5. All right, so let's see. 2 times 3 will be 6 plus 2 is 8. Nope. All right, so now I can already see that pattern's not going to work either. So I'll go to the very last option I have, 1 times 4. This time I'm going to click it because I think this is going to have to work. 1 times 4, and now I need plus 1. So would that work here? 2 times 4 would be 8, plus 1 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Yep, that worked. So that's all I'm doing is trying one at a time. This is a tricky puzzle. I just love math, though, so I think it's so fun to do these silly puzzles. I don't think they're silly, I think they're fun. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing again. I'll start with times 1. So 2 times 1 would be 2, right? And then I need to add 3. That's not even an option there, so that's not going to work, right? The times 1 isn't going to work for the first one, so it's not going to work. It's not going to be my answer. How about 2 times 2? So that would be 4 plus 1. That would work, right? So let's try it on the next problem. 3 times 2 would be 6 plus 1 is 7, not 8. So that one's not going to work either. So now I'll go to the next number. Times 3. So let's see. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. So I need to take away 1 to get 5. All right, so I'm going to do times 3, take away 1. See if it works here. 3 times 3 is 9. Take away 1 is 8. Yeah. 4 times 3 is 12. Take away 1 is 11. So that's going to work. Times 3, take away 1. Hopefully. Let's see. Gigi just has a thing. If you do so many wrong, she gives you extra problems. So I don't want to click on the wrong one. But if I do, it's nice because she helps me fix and learn what I'm trying to do there. All right, our next one here. Oh, our last one. Woohoo! All right, so 1 times 1 plus 4, but right, that's not an option. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus 3. I don't have that option either, so that's not going to work. So I know that it's not times 1, it's not times 2. How about times 3? 1 times 3 plus 2, that works, right? 1 times 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's see. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. And let's see. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So that's my pattern. Times 3 plus 2. I sometimes wish we could just fast forward Gigi when she does this part, because I'm like, I want to do the next problem. But it is kind of fun to watch her do, just watch Gigi go across the screen and hear the ding. All right, so next one. Ooh, division and then addition. All right, so 3 divided by 1 is still 3. And then I'd have to take away 1. No, that's not going to work. How about 3 divided by 2? Oh, then I'm going to get a fraction. I don't even want to try that one. I'll hold that one till later, right? I'd have 3 divided by 2 is going to be 1.3333. So I'm going to hold up on that one. I'll do this one. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right? 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'm going to try this now. Divide by 3 and then add 1. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So that's going to be my problem. Divide by 3 and then add 1. I do have like how she shows us our math. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 plus 1. All right, let's see. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. Take away 1 would be 3. So that would work, those two right there. 8 divided by 1 is 8. Take away 1. No, that's not going to work. So now I'll go to the next division problem, right? I only need to check for these division problems because that lets me know what I need to add or subtract to get my output number. Sorry, maybe I didn't explain that part right. What goes in is what I put in, and then I do something to it, and then I get whatever I put out. So I'm going to say 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then I'll need to add 1. So I'm going to try that pattern now. 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1. Nope, that's not going to work. All right, so am I up to, sorry, I got a lot sidetracked there. So my 4 divided by 3, I'm just, right, I'm going to get a fraction. I don't even want to try that one yet. So I'm going to go up here to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Plus 2 is 3. So let's see if that's going to work here. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Plus 2 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Plus 2 would be 5. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide by 4 first, and then I'm going to add 2. All right, remember, and I'm not going to do this one last problem. I will leave that one so that I don't go super long on my video. Sorry, someone was texting. So it looks like this is where you're stuck, the linear transform table, level 5. So let me know, but I'm going to go over here and see what other games you have. Let's see, linear transform table. That's where you are to level 5 already. So I'm going to go to the next, because now you should go to the next level. Would be this one. But I think I let you guys play out of order, so maybe this isn't the next way you're going. But I'll just show you one from the next one so you can see what it looks like. All right, so here I'm going to put in something, and I'm going to get out something. It's going to tell me what to do, divide by 2. So 4, if I divide by 2, I will get 2. Oops, it put it in the tens place, and I do not want it in the tens place. I want a 0 in the tens place. Oops. Now I'll put a 10 at, okay, sorry. I want a 2 in my ones place and a nothing in my tens place. All right, so 6 divided by 2. I want a 3, right? 6 divided by 2. Oh, they want me to put something in my tens place, a 0. All right, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Ah, I did it again. Let me go back. Oh, I'll just put my 3 in the ones place and then go back to put this to a 0. Tens place, 0. All right, there we go. Now I'm in the tens place, so I'm going to put my 0 first this time. There we go. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Oh, I have to press the little go button. So I'll just do 1 there. I'm going to pause it so I just don't. Oops, sorry, and you already did that one, remember. This is where you were. You were at linear transform table level 5. So sorry about that last one. But that we already did those. We did a bunch of those in the beginning. So now I'm going to go, this one will be your next one. Line capture from table. I wonder what that even means. Line, I know line. Capture is to take something from a table. Oh, here we go. Line capture from a table. Let's see what we got to do here. I want to think maybe I'm going to draw a line. Let's see. What's this do? I just want to see what happens here. I'm not sure. I'm going to just put it in the middle and hit play and see what Gigi does. I don't know what they want me to do right here. Ah, I needed to finish this line. Right, so I'm going to try and figure out where would this line go. That doesn't seem quite straight, huh? Maybe a little higher, like in between there somewhere. I just saw she had the little example there for me. Let's see, I'm gonna do it again. So if I was gonna go straight, I go right there. So maybe right about there. Let's see what Gigi says. Am I close enough, Gigi? Yeah, I guess it was close enough for Gigi. She gave me a little wiggle room. All right, now I got to put another dot somewhere here that's going to line up with these guys. Oh, I can see they went this, then they went down, down, down. I'm going to go here. I think that's a little too low. I'm going to go a little higher. Just I can see that they did each one on the line, on the vertical line there, but the horizontal, this one's right on the line, this one's under, this one's kind of two-thirds down, and this one's on it again. So now I'm going to say this one's going to be under the line, right there. It just seems a little high though for me. Maybe I'll go down a little more. I'm just trying to do it. If I was going to connect these dots, would they make a nice straight line? That one doesn't look so hard once you figure it out, but we'll go to the next one. So you're just going to try and put a dot here that's going to turn this and keep it a nice straight line. I think you can put it, I'm pretty sure you could put it in different places and it'll still work. I'll do this last one. So all we're doing here, remember, is plotting on a grid. It's a plane coordinate. It's a coordinate grid. So this line that goes across this way, that's horizontal, right? Horizontal goes flat, is called the x-axis. And this is called the y-axis. If I was right here in the middle, I'd be at 0, 0, right? I know you saw this on the, you already passed the other level, because I'm pretty sure, but you might get to that. I'm pretty sure you already passed the other level though. All right, so if I go 1, I'd be right here. If I go 2, I'd be right here. 3, right here. I can also go backwards. -1, -2, -3. But so I also want to go up. So I always go right or left first, depending if it says plus, I go right. If it says minus, I go left. And then the second number, because they normally give me 2 numbers, I go up or down. So up is plus, down is minus. So it's going to tell me, like, if it told me 2, 4, I'd go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'd put a little plot right there, a little dot right there. So this one are kind of middle, right? They're fraction ones there. They're in the middle of a line. All right, sorry, this video is getting so long. Maybe I'll stop it and I'll make you another one of the next ones just in case if you want to watch it later so you can be done with this one. All right, thanks. I hope you like it.